I'm Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we will see that continuation of that conformal transformation. What is conformal transformation means? We will find the image in W plane corresponding to the given curve in the Z plane. In the given transformation, we will substitute W equal to U plus IV. In the place of Z, X plus IY, or we will put r into e power I theta. What is that x plus iy? Representation of a complex number in Cartesian form. What is that z equal to r into e power I theta? Representation of a complex number in polar form. If you will give x plus I, z equal to x plus iy, we will get u and v in terms of xy. If you will give z equal to r into e power I theta, we will get u and v in terms of r and theta. So we will see the problem. This method, discuss the transformation W equal to Z plus 1 by Z, where Z is not equal to 0. Or this problem only they will ask, show that the transformation W equal to Z plus 1 by Z maps the circle modulus of Z equal to constant, and the straight line, that is nothing but amplitude of Z equal to constant into confocal conics. Here, see, this is the given thing, given transformation W equal to Z plus 1 by Z. Here, I am not taking Z equal to X plus Iy. Previous two problems, I took Z equal to X plus Iy. Here, if I take Z equal to R into e power I theta, it should be easy for me to simplify that. So, W equal to U plus IV, Z plus I am putting R into e power I theta plus 1 divided by R into e power I theta. What is e power I theta is nothing but R into e power I theta value should be cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by R I took outside. What is that 1 by e power I theta is that? That one if you take to the top, e power minus I theta I will get. What is that e power minus I theta is? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Next, u plus iv equal to, see here, r cos theta. First term I am taking r into cos theta. Then this term I am taking cos theta terms are all one group I am making. Plus 1 by r into cos theta I am taking. Plus I into, just I am multiplying sin theta inside. I into r sin theta minus 1 by r into sin theta. Now, u plus iv equal to, see here, in these two terms, I am taking cos theta outside. If you take cos theta outside, you will get r plus 1 by r into cos theta. If you take here sin theta outside, plus I into r minus 1 by r sin theta. Now, you will get this one. U is, if you will equate the real terms, you will get u equal to r plus 1 by r cos theta. If you will equate imaginary terms, you will get r minus 1 by r into sin theta. Now, what is that case 1 I have given? So, modulus of z equal to constant. What is that modulus of z equal to constant means? Usually you know that. See here, modulus of z equal to here constant they are given. What is that modulus of z? I will explain it here. See, modulus of z equal to r, that equal to a. See, how we will say that this one z equal to x plus iy. What is that x plus iy is? Representation of a complex number in Cartesian form. Modulus of z means what is that? You will get root of x square plus y square. So that is, just I am taking that value as some constant. Modulus of z equal to, modulus if you will find some constant value you will get, that one I am taking here. Modulus of z equal to some constant I am taking here. Right. So let modulus of z equal to r, that equal to a, that one only constant, where a is a constant. Now, in the place of r, I am going to give r equal to a plus 1 by a into cos theta. In the place of r, I am going to give a minus 1 by a into sin theta. Now you will get, we will square it on both sides, u square equal to a plus 1 by a whole square into cos square theta, v square equal to a minus 1 by a whole square into sin square theta. Now, just I will bring this one this side, u square divided by a plus 1 by a whole square equal to cos square theta, v square divided by a minus 1 by a whole square equal to sin square theta. Now this only I'll write a plus 1 by a. What is that? A is constant I took. A plus 1 by a whole square is also a constant. That one I am taking as capital A square. Then a minus 1 by a is constant, 1 by a is constant. That one also b square by b square also. This one a minus 1 by a whole square I am taking as b square. So b square by b square equal to sine square theta. A minus 1 by a is constant. Then a minus 1 by a whole square is also constant. Then b square is also constant. Now I'll write u square by a square plus v square by b square equal to 1. How? If you will this one say added this to cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, which represents an ellipse. What is that equation? This equation, it's in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So that is which represents an ellipse with center at 0, 0 and u and v axis as its axis. Now that's the way the circle r equal to a. How I can say that this is a circle? Already I told that z equal to x plus I y, modulus of z equal to here r. What is that? Modulus of z should be root of x square plus y square. What is that here? Modulus of z constant they told that. They only specified modulus of z is constant. Then r is constant means if I'll give here some constant, that one a, then x square plus y square equal to a square I will get. If you will get x square plus y square equal to a square is what? That is a circle. That only I am telling that the circle r equal to a or modulus of z equal to a only, both r equal to a or modulus of z equal to a. Modulus of z means root of x square plus y square. If you square it on both sides, you will get x square plus y square equal to a square. That only I am telling that x square plus y square equal to a square is a equation of a circle in the z plane is mapped into what? This one should be mapped into a ellipse in the w plane. Next, similarly, next case what you have to take, already they have given that you can take amplitude of z equal to constant. What is that amplitude of z? Here I have been proved, see here. Let amplitude of z equal to theta, that is nothing but b, where b is a constant. So here say you know that this are all x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, you know that. Then y by x equal to tan theta I will get. In the place of tan theta, if I will give b, theta plus b I will give. The time I will get tan b. Tan b equal to what is that? M. That is nothing but y by x equal to m I am taking. That only I will take y equal to mx. So whenever you will take amplitude of z equal to theta, the theta equal to constant you will get y equal to mx. What is that y equal to mx is? Is a straight line. Right. Now we'll come to here. Wherever theta is there in the places I am going to give v. So what is that u here? Already you know that this is u and this is v. In the place of u, if I'll give u equal to r plus 1 by r into cos b, v equal to r minus 1 by r into sin b. Now squaring on both sides, r plus 1 by r whole square into cos square b, b square equal to r minus 1 by r whole square into sin square b. Now we are taking this cos square b this side, u square by cos square b equal to r plus 1 by r whole square, v square by sin square b equal to r minus 1 by r whole square. Now if you will subtract these two, u square divided by cos square b minus v square divided by sin square b, if you will simplify, see here r plus 1 by r whole square minus r minus 1 by r whole square. If I will simplify this, a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here if you simplify, r square plus 1 by r square plus 2. R minus 1 by r whole square is r square plus 1 by r square minus 2. If you will multiply this minus, you will get this much. Now 2 plus 2 should be 4. Now I will write this 4. What I am doing here, see, this is the 4. This side I am bringing this side. U square divided by 2 into cos b whole square. 2 square is 4. That only I write 2 cos b whole square minus v square divided by 2 into sin b whole square equal to 1, which represents hyperbola. How you got it this 2? This side 4 is there. That 4 this side I took. 2 square is 4. This here 2 square is also 4. So which represents the hyperbola. Right. Now here what is that this one? Amplitude of z equal to theta, that is b. What is that amplitude of z is nothing but straight line. Now you can write a straight line passing through horizon theta equal to b in z plane is mapped onto the hyperbola in w plane. What is this equation? This equation should be hyperbola. Even 2 cos b. Cos b is nothing but constant. So 2 cos b I am taking as some c. 2 sin b I am taking as some d. So the time u square by c square minus v square by d square equal to 1, which is nothing but equation of the hyperbola. Right. So already I told that first one should be what is that? Modulus of z equal to r. So modulus of z equal to r is nothing but already I showed here. What is that? Modulus of z equal to r means it is a constant, that is x square plus y square equal to a square, which is a circle. So now here say this is what is that, when modulus of z equal to r, that is nothing but r equal to a, that is a circle in the z plane, which converts in the w plane as a what is that, ellipse. This is the ellipse. So circle in the z plane maps to the ellipse in the w plane. Next, another one should be amplitude of z equal to theta, that is nothing but b here, constant. So that is nothing but amplitude of z equal to b constant means that is a straight line. A straight line in the z plane maps to the hyperbola in the w plane. Maps to the w plane as a hyperbola in the w plane. That's all.